Hey guys, and in today's video, let's take a closer look at Insta360 Invisible Selfie Stick. So this accessory gonna be probably the best invisible selfie stick for a 360 degrees camera. I personally have a GoPro MAX and I simply love using it with this product to get these amazing drone-like shots where that selfie stick is invisible. Honestly, I even think that it's gonna be better than the original GoPro MAX grip. So this is how it looks like. Just take a look at how small it is. It's slightly bigger than the palm of my hand. Let's compare it to GoPro Shorty and GoPro Max grip for a reference. Now, isn't that impressive? If you want to extend it, then all you have to do is to simply pull up the upper part, and you don't have to twist it to unlock it, just pull the top and it locks in place. This selfie stick extends up to 120 centimeters, it's around 47 inches, which is really just the perfect length that you can get for a 360 degrees camera. Now, if you want to retract it, then all you have to do is to simply push it down, as simple as that. It's a very nice and easy design. At the very top, there is a fixed 1/4-inch thread, so you can mount your camera directly on top of it. But if you wanna use it with a GoPro Max, you're gonna need a special GoPro adapter to make it work. There are two types of the adapter, and I highly recommend you to choose the one that keeps your camera perfectly in the center of the selfie stick. Alternatively, you can take a look at Telesyn dual port connector so you can connect your camera to both of these. Okay, so what exactly makes the selfie stick invisible? Well, when you use it with a 360 degrees camera, such as for example GoPro Max, it has two lenses. So it can record in 180 degrees from one side and in 180 degrees from another side. And at some point, this enormous field of view overlaps. So the camera software can use that extra bit of space to stitch it together, and as a result, it can mask out that selfie stick from the shot. But nevertheless, it's very important that your selfie stick is long enough and thin so it can perfectly hide underneath of that camera. For example, GoPro El Grande and 3-Way 2.0 are not gonna be good enough for the job as it's simply too wide and that camera isn't perfectly in the center of the selfie stick. And as a result, you're gonna see some artifacts in your shot, so these shouldn't be used with a 360 degrees camera. Now, at the very bottom, there is a standard 1/4-inch screw hole, so you can connect it to a tripod and use it as a monopod that extends up to 120 centimeters, which is really nice. I think it's gonna be especially useful when you want to keep your camera stationary and record either yourself, the surrounding, or take some photos. Though it's not gonna be stable enough to record a time-lapse. And if you don't want to use a tripod with it, you can also connect a lanyard, so it's gonna feel a little bit more secure and you're not gonna drop it accidentally. However, a lanyard is not included in the package and you have to purchase it separately. The handle itself is covered with some material to give you a better grip. It's not ideal, but it's anti-slippery, so that's always something. The other part of the handle is smooth and shiny with a small Insta360 logo on it. So this selfie stick is extremely lightweight, as it weighs only around 133 grams. And since it's almost as the palm of my hand, it's light and compact. Honestly, I think that it's probably gonna be the best invisible selfie sticks for your 360 degrees camera. I must say that it's definitely gonna be better than the original GoPro MAX grip, and it's like 1/3 of the price as it costs like $16, so I think it's a steal. Anyway guys, so would you like to see a comparison video between these two selfie sticks? Let me know about it in the comment section below. And if you would like to see some other great alternatives that can be also used as invisible selfie sticks, check the videos in the description. Anyway guys, for today's video that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it and you enjoyed it and you learned something from it. And if you did, then as always guys, all I can ask you is to give this video a thumb up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't before, smash the notification button so you don't miss some future content, and see you guys in the next one. Bye!